In this video, I am going to show you how to set up email forwarding in Outlook. To set up email forwarding so that incoming emails are automatically sent to another email address, follow these instructions. At the top of your email client's page, click on Settings. Navigate to Mail Forwarding through the Settings menu to find the email forwarding options. In the Forwarding section, check or click Enable Forwarding to activate the forwarding feature. Enter the email address where you want your incoming emails to be forwarded. After entering the forwarding address, make sure to click Save to apply and retain your settings. By completing these steps, your email client will automatically forward incoming messages to the specified email address. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.